Time for our first power run. Whoa! Did you see that? We got good flames.
Did you?
Yeah, good flames. 637 brake. So 107 brake horsepower increase.
And flames.
And flames.
I reckon that's low boost. From what I've heard, they can do way more.
You reckon? Well, let's see. 637 definitely won't be enough. So they went again. This time 745. What did he just do? Oh my days! 745! And they went again. And the results are in. 784 horsepower with 627 foot-pounds of torque. 784! Oh my!
That car's rapid.
That's a joke. That is a joke.